You may not know this, but your future and the future of your family are closely linked to these words: biotechnology, food production. Why? Because one of the greatest challenges our planet is facing is food production. By the year 2030, you will need to produce 50% more food and 50% more energy, and we will consume 30% more fresh water. At the same time, we will have to mitigate the impact of climate change. Science and technology will need to be up to the task of finding solutions. That's where biotechnology and other disciplines come in to meet this challenge. Scientists work at the Agri-Aquaculture Nutritional Genomics Center, CGNA, with the conviction that their efforts will have a positive impact on the agri-food chain. The challenge is to produce more protein, fatty acids, soluble fibers, antioxidants and others within the context of this new scenario of climate change. Genomic applications and bioprocesses help to face this challenge. An important CGNA achievement has been the advance in the sequencing of the yellow lupine genome, knowledge that allows for answering questions of agricultural and industrial importance. This is what farmers and the industry receive, packaged in the seeds of new cultivars, adapted to the region and the new climate change scenarios. An example is a line of yellow lupine with 60% of protein content in the grain, a content 50% higher than the one present in the lupine currently under cultivation in this part of the country. Increased plant protein production represents an important contribution to the problem of feeding aquacultural species, poultry, pigs, pets and cattle. We now have another protein option, also for humans. Its inclusion in the diet, together with soluble fibers and antioxidants, can reduce obesity and high blood pressure, typical problems of our current way of life. This is only one example of what CGNA can do to determine the genetic basis of various cultivars. Along with doing science and technology, the challenge is to promote development on the agri-food chain agri-industrial and transform farmers into the principal actors in the production chain, so that instead of producing raw materials with little added value, they generate first-class nutritional products. This incorporates them into regional industrial development with better economic returns and the generation of employment. The center contributes in different areas. In the scientific technological area, with the generation of the necessary know-how to provide the innovations required in the agricultural sector. In the area of regional development, by acting as a leading center in the generation of knowledge, competences and the commercialization of products from La Araucanía region, and as well contributing to productive management by linking productive sectors with industry. CGNA, in alliance with regional institutions, contributes in converting the region into a pole of scientific development. This, together with international scientific collaborations in different areas, create a global network working on science, technology and technology transfer. Since 2005, the global challenge of ensuring food security and the local challenge of promoting the development of La Araucanía region are being answered by CGNA. The contributions and advances in biotechnology and the creation of new bioprocesses that stimulate the development of the industry contribute to a marked improvement in the quality of life of all the people living in the country's main agricultural region.